Hello everyone, this is Masood Eslami from Afghanistan. I'm born in Mazar Sharif, I'm living in Kabul. I'm one of the filmmakers in Afghanistan. I had made some short films by name is Swap and Maze and SMS. My films got award from different festival, international and national festival, and also my films screening different festival in different country. For example, Locarno, and I made some short documentary uh, about the people of Afghanistan. I'm working by a cinematographer for foreign filmmaker, and then we understand we need to learn more about the cinema because Afghanistan we don't have a good university and good workshop, and for this we have to apply for the another country for workshop. Uh, we apply for the close-up program. It was very useful for me. I know it's good opportunity for me. We can learn about the cinema from the different filmmaker, and also we can make a network with the filmmaker from the other country. For example, when I was attend to the AFA, Asian Film Academy, that was very useful for me. When I come back to Afghanistan, I share my experience in South Korea to Afghan filmmaker. That was great for me. And also I want to make a documentary about the coal mine. Mine is mining in Afghanistan. Working worker in mining in Afghanistan is very difficult. It's like we all come back to the 1,000 years ago. It's very difficult. And also I'm trying to find the money for making this documentary, but no one in Afghanistan ready to invest in filming. For this, I hope to apply. I hope to attend to this program to find a producer, to find money for making this films. And then thank you. I hope to see you. Have a great day.